Hi guys, I'm Young. So today I want to talk about the next product from DJI because this week we'll have some new product unveiling from DJI. And it's not a drone. In fact, it is an electric vehicle. Yes, it is an electric vehicle by DJI. They're expanding into automotive segment as well. So the question is DJI going to compete against the likes of Tesla, NIO, XPeng? Well, that will be confirmed in the Auto Shanghai 2021, which is a huge exhibition where all the car makers in and outside of China come together in China to showcase their latest model, latest technology. So we'll definitely hear more from DJI officially in a couple of days' time. However, as with any product launch or release or announcement, yes, we already have some leaks out online, so I'll share with you all I know that I found from Google. So what are we expecting in Auto Shanghai 2021? Well, according to Kanjazi, which is a very well-known DJI leaker online, so he already shared some pictures taken on the eve of Auto Shanghai 2021. So someone was walking around and taking this picture, this cute little EV. It's called the Baojun Kiwi EV. And yes, it's not a DJI brand, as you can see in the picture. However, at the side you can see that it is powered by DJI. So Baojun, which is the maker of that cute little Kiwi EV, it is a JV between General Motors and also Shanghai Automotive. So they come together to make those kind of like small EVs. But what's very interesting is that it is going to be powered by DJI. So what's DJI got to do with this EV? Well, if we actually look at this official website of DJI, which I have it up behind me, well, DJI recently launched a new official website called DJI Automotive. So what's in this website, DJI Automotive? It says safe and effortless travel for everyone. And the products that they provide is solutions, 3 types. So first one is driving D80 series. This is the automotive solution for up to 80 kilometers per hour. Since the speed will be limited up to 80 kilometers per hour in this solution, it includes features that will be very useful for urban inside the city traffic. So the functions include advanced lane keeping, cruise control, cut-in handling, stop and go for traffic jam, driver triggered lane changing, overtaking assistance, intelligent collision avoidance, ramp to ramp navigation, and override. And the software side will be backed by hardware configuration, which is also provided by DJI. So if we look at DJI driving D80 Plus, you can see that it has, sensor cameras, different sensors, and also short range radar, LiDAR, and long range radar as well. And in the case of DJI driving D130 series, which covers a speed range up to 130 kilometers per hour, so it's suitable for city expressways as well as highways, something for long haul. And obviously it will have more sensors and so on in the hardware configuration. Inside the website, you can actually see key components that goes into this system, everything already set out very clearly. And all these components, including various sensors, it looks like great, DJI quality. DJI Automotive looks really exciting, and I'm sure more detail will be showcased within Auto Shanghai 2021, which is taking place in a couple of days' time. And earlier this year, there was an announcement that XPeng, which is like a competitor to NIO in China, they are working with this LiDAR company called Livox. And Livox is affiliated with DJI. No concrete detail as to the ownership and so on. However, DJI website, they do sell Livox LiDAR system, as well as in Zen Muse, which is their professional drone. They do have sensors from Livox.
The L1 integrates a Livox LiDAR module.
I mean, there is still some debate on LiDAR system and so on because Tesla doesn't use it, because it can't be mass produced and so on. But let's see how it goes. I mean, we are just focusing on DJI and how they are progressing into the EV segment. They're not just staying in drone segment. And that's actually in line with what the founder envisions on DJI, because in some of the interviews that I read on the founder of DJI, he seems like he wants to make DJI a smart robot company. not just a drone company, but a robot company. And we do already see that in the consumer level products such as RoboMaster, and also in terms of the whole specific EV segment, it looks like they've been working on it since 2016. And also DJI works very closely with Hong Kong UST, the University of Science and Technology, where the founder graduated from. So it's really exciting, they're looking into the whole academic research as well as putting it into application. So I'm actually quite excited to see how DJI will develop in the future. They already are a dominant player in the consumer level drone, as well as filmmaking drone, professional drone like agriculture and so on, and building like construction drone. And they're moving into EV. And I wonder in the future whether they'll also move, further into like the passenger grade drone, which I'm sure they can make with all the technology they already have. So I'm really excited, I'm sure we'll see more of DJI Automotive system getting applied within different Chinese EV manufacturers in the future. So in the future, we'll probably not just fly the drone over DJI, but actually ride in one of the vehicles powered by DJI. So let's see how it goes. I'll definitely come back with some other exciting gadget reviews as well as gadget news. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!